Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and it is interesting how quickly Microsoft can change its mind when something pops up and people are not happy. And the best example of this right now is the Microsoft Edge browser, where it was learned by a security researcher that the passwords of the browser were actually put in clear text into RAM. Now, a few of you have mentioned it, and it is true that in terms of security, your PC needs to have some access to it. So you have to be an admin, you have to be either at the PC, or you need to have some malware that has actually been on your PC in admin, so that it has access to everything, and then it would have access to the password. So, which means, Microsoft said, well, it's not that big a deal of security, and technically it is not that big a deal for that reason, as there needs to be a administrative access to the computer. But, it's just a principle that in the cases where this would happen, and there is no reason for passwords to be in clear text in RAM somewhere. There's really no need for that. So with all of the security hype going around it, Microsoft has decided that with the latest update, if you have updated your Edge browser with the May 15th update, it does say that now it stopped loading the passwords in RAM at startup, and it will also make sure that in the near future, no clear text passwords are ever in RAM memory. So this is the backlash that happened, and Microsoft kind of said, okay, we're going to fix that, which it's, I know, as some of you have said, it is a remote possibility, but it's not a zero possibility. It's like when we look at security flaws, and some say that they are, just, in the basic form. It's a security flaw, but it's so difficult and to exploit that, you're never going to get an exploiter almost. Still, they fix it because, anything that is possible, well, it can happen. So that is kind of interesting to see that they're backing up on this. And I think it's a good thing. I mean, no other browsers except Edge would do that. It was clear that just Edge was doing that. So that is definitely something that we'll need to continue looking at for sure. So if you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.